Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and it is once again the most wonderful time of the year. That's dead battery season. If your battery is gonna die, it's probably gonna die in the winter time, and this is a perfect opportunity for me to show you the 2500 amp battery jump starter from Foxpeed. So let's get into it. I'll show you some features and we will demonstrate the use of this jump starter. Here we have the Foxpeed 2500 amp car jump starter. This is capable of jump starting up to 8-liter gas engines and 6.5-liter diesel engines. It has a built-in flashlight with an SOS mode, a 12-month standby time, and a life cycle of 1,000 charges, meaning you can charge it and discharge it up to 1,000 times. That's its life cycle. It comes in this soft clamshell case. Comes with a user manual, but don't fret, this isn't a requirement, because right on the inside of the case you have easy directions for how to jump start your car in 4 easy steps. So here we have the actual charge unit, charged to 100%. Here we have the charger with the USB-C cable. You also have a cigarette lighter adapter for output if you needed to power something that was 12 volt. And of course, you have your jumper leads with a connector that is one way only. So you literally cannot plug this up incorrect. You want to plug the cables into the jump pack, which are behind this flap here to keep the leads protected. And again, you can only plug it in one way. Plug that in there. The LED will activate. You want to power the unit on. Connect the leads up like so, and then you will start the car. Once you've started the car, disconnect the leads and the unit automatically turns off. This unit here has every kind of overload, short circuit, over voltage protection possible. So you really can't mess up when you're trying to jump start a vehicle, because it has so many inherent protections built into the unit. You can charge USB devices using the USB-C output or the USB 3.0 or 2.0 port. So that's your tablets, that's your mobile phone, or any other USB device that you would want to charge using this battery bank. If you hold the button, it turns on the flashlight so you can see if you get a broke down flat tire, you have a light on hand. And if you hold it again, it goes off. If you hold it and then press it one more time, once the light comes on, it goes into SOS mode. This is to warn oncoming traffic that you may be broke down on the side of the road to steer clear and give you space. This case holds everything that you need and some. You could throw a couple extra USB cables in here so that in your car it's just a nice, small, soft clamshell case that's ready anytime you need it. I will include a link in the description below to Foxpeed's website, so you can go check this out for yourself. I'll also include an Amazon link so you can get a great deal on this. Other similarly priced jump starters do not have the battery capacity that this unit has. So for the price, this is a great deal. So take advantage of that promo code, and I will see you guys in the next video.